So this is my cell phone. Not that exciting. It's a Samsung T-Mobile. Pretty basic. Has a camera on here. I put a little K-tie strap, K-tie strap on there. I had to actually drill my own hole in the back here to put the strap through. Because they're just not that popular in America, I guess. This is my cell phone here. I was going to show you. JR ringtones. JR train station ringtones. Akihabara. Ebisu. Harajuku. Meguro. Tokyo. Uguisudani. Gotanda. Shinjuku. This is also Shinjuku. Yoyogi. This is Takadanobaba, and that is also the theme to Astro Boy. This is Ikebukuro. Anyway, I'll skip ahead, I guess. Shibuya. And back to Akihabara. So, that's just a few of them. Some of the more memorable ones. How did I do this? Got a couple of CDs. This is the first CD I got. I bought this on Amazon Japan. It's got bad reflection here, sorry. This is Eki Hasha Melody. This is JR, East Japan, JR. Really beautiful photograph on there too, actually. This was the first CD I got, and it's pretty cool. It's actually really diverse. It has a few Yamanote, some Chuo. It has several other surrounding areas, train stations as well. It has Narita Express and several different railways. And just today I got this one here. It's made by the same company. Ordered this also from Amazon Japan. This is really intensely focused on just the Tokyo area. And what I did was ripped it to my computer, and you can use I prefer Audacity. It's free, and if you get the you'd have to also download the what's called the LAME codec, and that will allow you to create MP3s. Then just create the MP3s. My phone has just a little micro SD card in there. It's nothing that fancy, and just pop it in there, and there you go. So, Tokyo trains, or Japanese trains, is another one of my many facets of mania, I guess. I just love riding Japanese trains, and I've ridden them in America, but they're just not the same. Just, I don't know, maybe I'm just goofy or something, but the experience of riding on a train in Japan is really great. And these CDs are just chock full of wonderful nostalgia. And these are the melodies when you're at the train station and the train's about to leave. And so they play these melodies to get people on the train, and then it departs. Pretty neat stuff. So the CD, I'm gonna see if I can do this one-handedly. I'll pull this out. It lists all of the tracks. See, it's got the spine card. It's got something else in there I'll show you later. Shows you all of the tracks here. Maybe you can't see that too well, but it goes through all of the train stations. You got Shinagawa, Tamachi, Hamamatsucho, Shinbashi, Yurakucho, Tokyo, Kanda, Akihabara, Okachimachi, Ueno, Uguisudani, Nippori, Nishinipori, and so on and so on. And it gives you the name of the songs here. Let's see if I can show this better. So this is the Yamanote, and Uchimawari, which is actually counterclockwise. Tells you which platform line, which track line it's on, and it gives you the song names even. And I just dropped it on the floor on accident. It comes with this little insert here. This is pretty cool. I'm gonna unfold this here. Bear with me. And so if you want to look for, I want to look for, let's say, Akihabara. So it has everything in alphabetical order, or, hiragana order, whatever you call it. and it gives you the track numbers and the song titles. So this is pretty darn cool. Now, I was reading some of the reviews on Amazon Japan, the Japanese people who were saying that not all of these tracks are really the genuine thing. I don't know. I'll have to take their word for it. Beats me. But it's pretty cool. So it's pretty close enough to me that I can't tell the difference. Let me put this in here. Play out some more tracks here. Again, this is super neat. This is my little mini disc CD player. Let's do like track 48 here. And according to here, track 48. Got the Chuo line, the song titles over here, JRSH1. The Chuo-sen. And just get on my computer here and see, here's Audacity. And you just take here, trim it, and make it into an MP3. Take the other part of the song, trim that, make it into another MP3 that way, and go on from there. So it's pretty cool. Again, writing on the Tokyo train system is really nostalgic, and especially, I don't understand, but I think the GR train conductors are like cloned or something, because they all have that same nasally voice. You know, Tsugi wa Takadanobaba, Takadanobaba desu. Odeguchi wa Miegawa desu. Gochuri kudasai. They all sound like that. It's bizarre. I think they're clones. They could be androids. I have no idea. I don't know, maybe you run a void comp test on them or something to see if they're gonna go berserk and kill people or something. But anyhow, this is a cool CD. It's if you're looking for just the Tokyo, then stick to the other one. But this is pretty cool, just for a whole bunch of other different stuff. So if you want one of these to start with, I would recommend getting this one first, because when I bought this, I was noticing there's a heck of a lot of stuff, like Yamanote in particular, that was just not featured on this CD. This CD, however, has pretty much all of the Yamanote as far as I can tell. It just goes through every single of the stations. So Uchimawari, which is counterclockwise, and it'll even give you the same thing, Sotomawari, which is clockwise, and it's pretty thorough. And so again, it's on Amazon Japan. Do a search for JR Higashi Nihon. There's your kanji right there, JR Higashi Nihon, and you can find them that way. So hopefully you enjoyed the video.